Boom shakalaka, the very definition of a bubble. With the drop in Bitcoin's price today, we're going to take a look at where Bitcoin could end up by the end of the year. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video with a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including where Bitcoin could end up by the end of the year. Before we get into things, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed index down to 57 from 62 yesterday, but still in greed. The overall market down about 3%. Bitcoin at 23,368, Ethereum at 1737, BNB at 321, XRP 42 cents, Cardano 35 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon $1.11, and Solana $21. Bitcoin right now, after appearing to break out from this ascending trend that is in, was rejected, fell back inside of the trend. We are at the upper bands of that right now. Some levels of support, if price continues to keep coming down, could be this wick right here, right around $26,500, or previous levels of strong resistance right here around $25,000, or could be headed down towards lower levels. Right now, the lower bounds of this trend channel we were in is $20,000. So the idea of Bitcoin going below $20,000 right now is significantly low. But this was just posted today by Nunya Business. Pretty interesting. Credit Suisse CEO, Bitcoin, the very definition of a bubble. Ha, this is quite a laugh, right? Isn't it funny when historical documents come and they just kind of make you question what's going on, like this one right back here where SBF warns some crypto exchanges already secretly insolvent. I mean, it does make you wonder what the heck is going on with the world, but Bitcoin's still here. Credit Suisse is not. Now, for those of you who missed yesterday's episode, the one flawless Bitcoin investing strategy has just flashed. This one has never been wrong. A simple strategy that tells you when to buy Bitcoin with complete peace of mind. A strategy that worked 100% of the time through Bitcoin history. Buy when price crosses the green line with confirmation on the weekly. You can see right here, zoomed in, it has crossed the green line with confirmation on the weekly. Every time historically, price has gone up significantly. And with dollar cost averaging in Bitcoin, yes, dollar cost averaging is great, but when it's on the way up, generally better just plopping a bunch of money in. When you're not sure, that's the time than when you're on a dollar cost average. So that being said, Bitcoin right now, just following simple but real zigzag moves. Everything right now suggesting that the bottom is in. We are headed towards higher levels. When we take a look at this, Bitcoin has reclaimed the weekly 200-day moving average, this blue line right here, and also the EMA ribbons has broken above there. In 2015, 2019, and 2020, this has led to very strong increases for Bitcoin. Buying the dip, opportunities, basically make the money with every dip, including the dip that we have today in a bull market. Likely won't last too long. The momentum is real. We can see right here with the relative strength index in colors. Every time Bitcoin turns from this dark blue to a lighter blue, look at what happens not long afterwards. Significant upward price movements. Right now, the golden ratio multiplier, Bitcoin's made its way across the yellow 350-day moving average line, as you can see right down here. But price never stops there. Historically, when this happens, Bitcoin always makes it up to at least the green line, the first stop line, the 1.6 times 350-day moving average. The current price of that line, $37,000. So while this may be a brief pause, it is unlikely that Bitcoin is going to retrace much before continuing, because you have to remember, we have the halving coming up in just about a year's time. And historically, Bitcoin is always at the fair value price during the halving. Fair value price is this black or green line right in the center here, where Bitcoin price is always during halving. Right now, fair value price is roughly $40,000. So in the next year, Bitcoin getting to that territory, very, very likely. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin has been following gold in terms of its trajectory, where we have a top right here and then the bottom following gold, and then the top following gold and the bottom following gold. Well, gold has just peaked once again. Bitcoin has not yet broken up to those levels. It's lagging a little bit behind. Right now, those levels between $40,000 and $50,000 for Bitcoin. And if we take a look at this chart right here, that first rejection level is $53,000. This is the bull market barrier bands, which you can see right here. Every time, this is all for the first point of major rejection after the bear market bottom. Saw it back here in 2015, here in 2019, and that level right now, roughly $53,000. So if we take more of a long-term view on Bitcoin, it has been forming a symmetric, regular bear and bull channels. And we can see right here that where it's pointing right now towards the end of this year is a $70,000 Bitcoin. So that being said, what do you do? Well, good advice right here. Buy Bitcoin in the mountain lakes. Anytime it is underneath the 2-year moving average, makes a great opportunity for buying Bitcoin at a discount. We are still below the 2-year moving average, but time is running out. Will not last there for too much longer. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.